Have you ever thought you knew everything about motorcycle laws? Think again. Today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of motorcycle regulations that are not only surprising, but downright unbelievable. From quirky rules that seem to belong in a different era to bizarre restrictions that might leave you scratching your head, we've compiled a list of the top 5 motorcycle laws that you won't believe exist. In this video, we'll explore each of these astonishing laws, shedding light on their origins and the reasons behind their existence. You'll discover how these regulations vary from state to state and even country to country, revealing the diverse landscape of motorcycle legislation. Motorcycle enthusiasts often pride themselves on their knowledge of the road, but these laws might just take you by surprise. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a curious newcomer, understanding these unique regulations can help you navigate the roads more safely and legally. So, buckle up your helmets and get ready to rev your engines as we unveil the top 5 motorcycle laws that will leave you in disbelief. Trust us, you won't want to miss this ride. Let's hit the road and uncover the unexpected. Number 5. Riding with a Pet, Alaska. In the vast and breathtaking landscapes of Alaska, riding with a pet is not just a charming idea. It's a unique legal requirement that can catch many off guard. This law mandates that if you're cruising on your motorcycle, you must ensure your furry friend is securely restrained. While this may seem like a common-sense safety measure, it's particularly notable in Alaska, where the stunning scenery often tempts riders to take their pets along for the adventure. What sets this law apart is the emphasis on safety for both the rider and the pet. Unlike many states where pets can roam freely in sidecars or on the seat, Alaska's regulation highlights the importance of securing your pet to prevent distractions and potential accidents. This law not only protects your beloved companion, but also ensures a smoother ride for everyone on the road. While riding with a pet is a delightful experience, it ranks at number 5 because, compared to other motorcycle laws that may have more significant implications for rider safety or public order, this one is more about personal responsibility and pet welfare. Number 4. No revving your engine, New Jersey. In the bustling streets of New Jersey, where urban life meets the open road, the law against revving your engine stands out as a surprising yet essential regulation. This law prohibits riders from excessively revving their motorcycle engines, a rule designed to curb noise pollution and maintain peace in residential areas. What makes this law particularly intriguing is its focus on community harmony. Unlike many motorcycle laws that prioritize safety or vehicle operation, this regulation emphasizes the quality of life for residents. The sound of a roaring engine can be exhilarating for riders, but in densely populated areas, it can be a source of annoyance and disruption. By enforcing this law, New Jersey aims to strike a balance between the thrill of riding and the tranquility of neighborhood living. Ranking at number 4, this law is significant but less impactful than higher-ranked regulations that directly address rider safety or public order. While revving may seem like a harmless expression of excitement, it can lead to fines and community backlash, making it a noteworthy consideration for riders. As we ascend the list, you'll encounter laws that tackle more critical issues, showcasing how New Jersey's unique approach to noise control reflects a broader commitment to maintaining a peaceful coexistence between motorcyclists and the communities they traverse. Number 3. Motorcycle lane splitting, California. In the Golden State, motorcycle lane splitting is not just tolerated, it's officially legal, making California a standout in the realm of motorcycle laws. This unique regulation allows riders to maneuver between lanes of slow-moving or stopped traffic, providing a practical solution to congestion and enhancing rider safety. What sets California's lane splitting apart is its emphasis on efficiency and safety. By allowing motorcyclists to navigate through traffic, this law reduces the risk of rear-end collisions, a common hazard for stationary vehicles. Riders can enjoy the freedom of the open road while minimizing their exposure to potential accidents. Furthermore, this practice can significantly decrease travel time, making it a popular choice among commuters. Ranking at number 3, lane splitting is a progressive law that contrasts sharply with more restrictive regulations found in other states. While some regions impose strict limitations on motorcycle movement, California embraces the benefits of lane splitting, showcasing a forward-thinking approach to urban mobility. As we move up the list, you'll discover laws that address broader safety concerns or public order issues. But California's lane splitting stands as a testament to the state's commitment to enhancing the riding experience. Number 2. Helmet-free zones, Illinois. In a strikingly unique approach to motorcycle legislation, Illinois has designated specific helmet-free zones, allowing riders the freedom to cruise without the constraints of a helmet in certain areas. This law reflects a blend of personal choice and the state's commitment to individual freedom, making it a fascinating aspect of motorcycle culture in the region. What distinguishes Illinois' helmet-free zones is the emphasis on rider autonomy. While many states enforce mandatory helmet laws for all riders, Illinois recognizes that some experienced motorcyclists prefer the sensation of the wind in their hair. These designated areas provide a rare opportunity for riders to experience the thrill of riding without a helmet, albeit with the understanding that safety remains paramount. Ranking at number 2, this law is significant because it challenges conventional safety norms while still promoting responsible riding. Unlike the more universally applied helmet laws found in other states, Illinois' approach allows for a nuanced conversation about safety versus personal freedom. As we approach the top of our list, you'll encounter laws that prioritize safety in more direct ways, but the existence of helmet-free zones in Illinois showcases a unique balance between regulation and personal choice. This law not only highlights the state's distinctive motorcycle culture, but also invites riders to engage in thoughtful discussions about safety, responsibility, and the joy of riding. Number 1. No riding in a bathing suit, Florida. In the sun-soaked state of Florida, one of the most surprising motorcycle laws is the prohibition against riding in a bathing suit. This regulation may seem odd at first glance, but it serves a crucial purpose in promoting rider safety and maintaining a level of decorum on the roads. What makes this law particularly noteworthy is its focus on practicality and safety. Riding in a bathing suit not only exposes riders to the elements, but also increases the risk of severe injuries in the event of an accident. Florida's law encourages motorcyclists to wear appropriate protective gear, ensuring they are better equipped to handle the unpredictable nature of the road. This regulation stands out as a reminder that while Florida is known for its beach culture, safety should always come first. Ranking at number 1, this law encapsulates the essence of motorcycle safety in a state where the allure of the beach can tempt riders to forego proper attire. Unlike the more lenient helmet laws or the unique helmet-free zones found elsewhere, Florida's prohibition against bathing suits directly addresses the risks associated with riding. As we conclude our list, this law serves as a humorous yet vital reminder that safety and style should go hand in hand. It highlights the importance of being prepared for the ride, ensuring that every motorcyclist can enjoy the thrill of the open road while prioritizing their well-being. In today's exploration of the top 5 motorcycle laws you won't believe exist, we've uncovered some truly fascinating regulations that highlight the diverse landscape of motorcycle legislation across the United States. Starting with number 5, we learned about Alaska's requirement for riding with a pet, emphasizing safety and responsibility. At number 4, New Jersey's law against revving your engine showcased the importance of community harmony. California's unique lane-splitting law took the 3rd spot, demonstrating a progressive approach to urban mobility and rider safety. Ranking 2nd, Illinois' helmet-free zones offered a rare glimpse into personal choice and freedom for experienced riders. while Florida's surprising prohibition against riding in a bathing suit claimed the top position, reminding us of the essential balance between safety and style. These laws not only reflect the culture and values of their respective states, but also invite us to think critically about the rules that govern our riding experiences. We encourage you to delve deeper into these intriguing regulations and consider how they impact motorcyclists and communities alike. As you hit the road, remember that knowledge is power. Understanding these laws can enhance your riding experience and keep you safe. So, whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, stay informed and ride responsibly. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the adventure alive.